Hey, so I'm going to show you a few things about this Airlift 3P controller. To get into the menu, just hit this button and then this one right here together. You're going to get into the menu. You can see a lot of the different options that you have. You can go through display, brightness, sleep, all up button, all down button. You can choose what all these buttons do. You can also, in operational, do a rise on start, preset maintain, minimum drive height, pressure and height, show mode, Bluetooth. It's got all the different options for you. You can, in setup, you can do a sensor tool or set up the compressors to do a lot of different things. Whatever pressure you want the compressors to turn off, you can choose that. It has a minimum battery voltage. That way you don't run your battery down. It has a preset mode that you can double tap the buttons or single tap them on your presets. You can see it's a really sleek design, fits in your hand. Right now it has the different pressures that are in each bag and also the pressure that's in the tank. And you can also, again, choose whatever pressure you want the compressors to turn off. You can choose that in units of 1, so you can be as specific as you want to with that. Airlift 3P is awesome. It eliminates a lot of the fittings and all the things that you have to have with manual valves, and it's really easy to